Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Tecno 19 Camon. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno 19 Camon and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno 19 Camon settings section. After click over settings section, you scroll all the way down and then you need to click here system. After click over system in the upper side, you're going to find here something say language and import. After click over language and import, you're going to find here something say languages. After click over here, you're going to see the current language you have. If you decide to add new language, you can click here other languages and you're going to see all the languages installed in your phone. Everything going to be appear here. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this Francisco, and then after choose that, it will give you a pop-up. Do you like to set this a primary language? We're going to click here apply language, and now you're going to see my phone is completely changed English to I think it's something like French language or etc. And it might be happen to you even maybe it's by mistakenly your phone language is changed and you want to return back it to English language. So in order to do that, you have to find out the gear icon. You can go all apps. Also you need to try to find out the gear icon. So this is the gear icon. You have to open the gear icon and then you scroll all the way down and then you need to use the again this system icon. You can see this is the icon. You have to choose the system icon and then you need to choose the first one, which is the language. And then again you need to click the languages and then you're going to see this is the French and English. If you want to set English, you can hold it and bring upper your phone going to be changed English. If English is not installed here, you can go other language and find out the language you want and you can apply it. So in this simple way, you can easily change language in your Tecno 19 Camon. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.